Hey guys, today's video, let's learn how we can create TextNow account in our PC. So first of all, what you have to do is open your browser and type in TextNow sign up, and you will see TextNow get free calling, texting and wireless. Click onto that button, you will see a page like this. If you would like, you may go ahead and download this application. If not, you can just simply create an account by clicking on this person icon. And as I do that, you will see an interface like this. Now at this section, it says welcome back, and it will ask you to sign up for free. Select sign up free button. And likewise, what you could do is, it says create an account to begin talking and texting for free on your phone or computer. You're going to have to scan your mobile to finish signing up. So this being the QR bar, you're going to have to simply open your phone and scan this QR bar. And as you do that, you will see the on-screen prompt in order for you to sign up to this TextNow account. So guys, this is how easy it is. Thank you for watching.